Hello and welcome to our 1 year backpacking series. I am Brooke and we are 5 months into our year-long adventure. We're in Nicaragua at the moment and today we're heading to the El Reef Resort for a 3-night content trip. El Reef is just a short ride away from Granada and we are lucky enough to be staying in the presidential suite. Whilst we're there, they have so many activities planned for us, from a fishing boat trip to jet skiing and so much more. So I'll show you around and bring you along on the activities with us. Welcome to El Reef. So we're staying in the presidential suite and we've just arrived and it is absolutely insane. Let me show you around. So this is our dining room. I have a full kitchen, but we've got it all inclusive here, so we don't think we'll be cooking at all, but it's good to have if you don't have the food included. And then this spot is so cute. It literally has the most insane view right over the mountains. They might be volcanoes, I'm not sure, but so nice. And then this part is absolutely insane. This is our hot tub. And then the views over here as well. I literally cannot believe that we're staying here. This is all ours as well, it's all private. We have our own bar, in case we just throw a party. Seating area, and then the hammock. And the views literally go all around. So I think we'll probably get to see sunrise and sunset from here. And then this is our room. I'm not showing you that. This is the main bedroom, so this is where we're staying. And then this is the bathroom. So we actually have like 2 bathtubs, the one outside and then this one, and a shower too. And then not that we need the other rooms, but we have more rooms out here. This is the first one. And then this one too. All of them have like lake views too, so it's so pretty. And then was this another room?
It's the mystery door.
It's the mystery door, we don't know what's through there. Never felt this finishing in my life. So we're just on the boat. This morning we're going out fishing. This is Pierce's first fishing trip, so I hope we catch something big. We're just leaving the hotel now.
Fishing ever, and I'm hoping to catch something today. Hopefully I can get a picture at the end with a big fish, but yeah.
The hopes are a bit too high.
Shark.
Hopefully not. Maybe a caiman.
It's got something.
Oh no.
No. You got the
Got
bait.
away.
There you are. Fish mugged you right off there, mate. I'm not gonna lie. Look. Robbed the bait and left the hook.
All of that off without the hook. Is it a rock? Oh. I thought you was about to catch the biggest fish in the lake.
Third time lucky. Oh!
Yay!
Oh my god!
Yay!
Reti. Enrolla.
Got it. Congratulations.
You're great.
First fish. It's kind of big.
You can see it breathing, look.
Ew. So we're headed back to the hotel now. Out of all of us, we only caught the one fish, but it was a decent one, and it was called the Corvina. But we're heading back now, and then we're going to go check out the hotel. Good morning, it's day 3 in the El Reef Resort. We have a jam-packed day full of activities. So in the morning we're going on a kayaking tour, in the afternoon the jet skis, and then the last activity of our trip here will be mountain biking.
So we've just spotted spider monkeys in this tree up here. There seems to be at least 2 or 3 of them, but we'll try and get a closer look. So you can see one of the monkeys is just there. And then the other one, I think, is at the back of the trees. This one's called Pancho. He's just chilling. So we have Pancho just here, and Lucero at the back. He's having a drink.
They also have this really nice boat here, which I think they use for kind of special occasions, but it's a nice little yacht that you can take out onto the lake. So Brooke, when was the last time you rode a jet ski?
7 years ago. I was just a baby, 18, so I might be with more of an abuela on this one.
Where was that?
Croatia. On our first ever holiday.
So today we're going for the last activity. We're going mountain biking, and we're going for about 2 hours. He's just bringing the bikes out now. Look at these tyres. Look how thick they are.
Unreal. So we've checked out of El Reef Resort this morning, but Moises has taken the day for us and he's going to give us a tour. So we've just come to the top of a volcano that's got a cafe, and then he's taken us to Managua because we're flying to Corn Islands tomorrow, but he's going to give us a tour first. So the cafe up here is called Cafe La Flores, and it's apparently like their Starbucks equivalent. So they have chains all over Nicaragua, but I'm pretty sure this one's definitely got the best view. I'll show you. So Pierce and I have a nice latte, and Moises has cappuccino. So we've arrived at Laguna de Apoyo now, and there is an unreal platform that you can see the whole lake from. And over there is where we went up the mountain for a coffee. I'll show you the view.